aim high. Aim as high as you can to solve these big problems. And as you try and solve those problems, as you go on that journey, you may face challenges. You'll probably face challenges, and you may not quite get there, but be resilient, be persistent, don't give up, because you're aiming high, and that's important. You're aiming to make change for the better.
Today is the first time that the Beyond COP21 Symposium has come to anywhere in Australasia or Oceania, and it's come right here to Greenschool, New Zealand. We couldn't be prouder to bring it here. But that's not what it's about. It's about the youth of today being the change makers of tomorrow and empowering them by giving them access to some really inspiring people and inspiring initiatives. We've got local businesses involved, and it's just about, getting them racked up really, and getting ready to make a change.
Climate change is a real problem, and that all of us, especially our youth, need to fix it, and we all need to work together in order for it to be fixed. And how it can be fun to do it. Like, it doesn't have to be a mopey issue, like yes it is, but we can make it fun.
And my favourite part was the Grow Your Own Kite, because it gave me ideas for what we could do back at home and how we could help do our part with climate change.
Today we have been attending workshops about learning about the environment and saving the earth, and we've listened to some speakers talking about the SDG goals and how we can make a change in the world.
You don't have to take on the world's problems on your own. SDG Goal 17 is about partnerships. This event is founded on partnerships, and many new partnerships will form here. Let us keep what we know really matters in mind as we step forward and we step up together to transform education and the world.
For our community, this is huge. We are trying to get tamariki together to form connections with each other. We're trying to create a bigger network so that we can share all the amazing things happening with the environmental initiatives that they want to be doing. We also want to provide, I guess, a platform for students to do the things that they're passionate about in the environment and put it out there into the world.
The message I carry internationally across the whole world, and very fortunate to bring to Greenschool and our cohort here today, is teaspoons of change. You know, small actions multiplied by lots of people creates change, and that's what this kind of gathering is all about.
I feel hopeful that we can fix this problem, and that if we all work together it can be fixed so much quicker.
I'm positive. I'm hopeful that I could help with this problem and I could do my part.
I feel great. I feel like I've learned a lot and met a lot of new people.
So the message from young people is this wonderful blend, I think, of optimism and realism. You know, it's not these ideas that are just so off the cuff that they can never take place. There's a good grounding of realism, like understanding what are the challenges we face, and then how do we work within those confines to create solutions that are meaningful and practical. So I'm blown away by the ideas that young people gave us today on how to mitigate climate change, how to create community, and how to create meaningful action.
This warms my heart completely to see so many people from different spaces come onto campus, to see the networking happening between other teachers, within the learners as well. I think we've started something special, so I just can't wait for this to continue and see where it leads.